It's Alyssa from Romewise, your go-to guide to Rome, here today at the Trevi Fountain to talk to you about this amazing neighborhood and all the things that you can see and do right here near the Trevi Fountain. I know you're thinking, wow, I just came to see this fountain, and yes, it is definitely on most people's top 10 list of things to see and do in Rome. In fact, I've got a video about it. You can click the link and go visit that video as well. But I'm here to tell you that whether you're staying in the neighborhood and want to explore it, or if you've just come to see the fountain and want to know what else can you do nearby, like visiting the Pantheon and the Spanish Steps, which are so close, seeing some incredible museums, churches, underground ruins, rooftops, rooftop bars, things to do with kids. There are so many things that you can do right here in this neighborhood. So stay with me. I'm going to show you some of the best things that you can do in the neighborhood, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to download my ebook and get a discount just for you for watching. Stay tuned. Here we go. This little church over here is one of the most stunning jewels we have in Rome, and almost nobody knows about it. Let's go in. It's got a ceiling that is absolutely amazing. And just a few blocks from the Trevi Fountain in a different direction, we have this incredible little jewel, this secret little church. It's actually the smallest church in Rome. Let's go see what it looks like. Now we are heading down this corridor towards the tomb where Michelangelo was originally buried before his body was carted off to Florence. You kind of have to know this is here, and you have to know to ask them to let you come in. And just a couple of blocks from the Trevi Fountain is this amazing square with this beautiful, what's called Liberty style design and painting. They recently restored it, so it's absolutely stunning. It's usually open during the day and it's free. You can just walk right through. It's a place of business today. There are some offices in here, but take a look. Rinascente, and this is one of the amazing, beautiful department stores in Rome. They have everything here. It's kind of an open escalator style, and this is one of the most amazing things about the Rinascente. So they were digging to break ground to get it ready, and they came across all these Roman ruins from the time of Augustus. Check it out. And they made this really well done light show here, kind of bringing to life the whole thing. You guys, that's 2,000 years old. Right here in Rinascente. Yeah, so this is the reason that I like the rooftop here at the Rinascente, the view. So we've got this beautiful church rooftop by Borromini, and off to the background there you can see St. Peter's Dome, and it's kind of behind my head. And there's St. Peter's right there, and this beautiful sun setting behind this other dome, and the birds flying, and it's really beautiful.